Say hi guys.
Gamitan mo pa ang
Yes, this is a live stream. I am Laika and
I'm Jasper.
anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Mag-like mo? Si Bitog Atangan.
We are going to
Sila may mga tang.
we are going to engage you guys to start your vlog na
Okay, so we start our live stream and
what? Confess what?
confess our brains. I mean, confess our mind.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So you start
With
now?
confessing my mind.
Yes. What are you thinking about? Can you tell to them
I'm thinking about
what?
food.
Your food.
Yeah, I'm thinking about food.
You're craving, huh? You
Yeah,
like food.
yeah, I'm craving foodies.
I knew it. You like mukbang?
Yes,
What kind
sir.
of mukbang? Like street food mukbangs or
Seafood
chocolate?
too.
Oh,
Seafood.
seafood. Okay.
Gani.
So, your turn. Yeah.
To confess my mind,
Your,
I'm thinking about.
what are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about him. Him. Ano
Who
pala?
him?
Food din. Because I'm craving for balut. Do you know what is balut?
And I'm craving for
Oh my
sushi.
god. Sushi.
I'm craving for sushi.
How
Oh
many
my God.
pieces of sushi?
Have you eaten?
Yeah.
Oh,
Or
I've eaten 0 sushi.
oh, so okay. Ilang sushi ang maubos mo?
Ikaw, pila imong sushi na ubos?
I guess 12
Natulog
pieces.
ka niya. Dili ka
I think,
mata sa
yeah,
tulog.
that's right.
Gulitan ka, drink bourbon.
So,
I like your smile. Your smile is so cute.
so,
Niya.
Do you know?
what is your own style?
No. Do you know?
Today we're gonna be learning.
Yes.
Yes.
They're watching us.
Yes, okay.
So don't be silly, okay? Don't.
So, what's 5 plus 11?
What
What?
is the answer?
Yeah.
What's the answer? 5 plus 11? Can you answer that one?
Nope, I cannot.
It's 21. 5 plus 11.
Yep, okay, no. Next up is 5
That's not
plus.
5. That's not 5. It's
I'm
10.
gonna 5
Say sorry to
plus.
them.
Sorry, okay.
Okay.
5 plus 11. Okay.
5 plus 11, it's 21.
So, you guessed it.
Pilingi kay si bourbon.
You guess. So they're going to guess it. No? Okay.
Pero uyab na niya to.
Oh my God. Gilo kayo, ha?
Grade 10. Pag grade 10.
Dili ko ganahan magpalihim balik ka ng ibagi dako kay lang sa kuha tapos tungod
Lain.
lang
Lain man na.
Okay, go.
What's 3 plus 11? Go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no.
Bet ka to sa kwa?
So the answer is, what is your...
No, I don't have an answer.
No. Ano mo kanina? 10 plus, ano yun?
Kuy, sige.
Whatever, I don't know.
Ako?
He forgot.
Ako,
He
manakito
forgot.
baye.
Yeah, I forget.
Oh, they say,
manggigil
you're so
ako.
cute,
Nani,
Daisy.
oh?
Your name is Daisy?
Nope.
Huh?
anak ko paparaan gyapon maklagot
You're so, sarang.
So, this is a group, I think. So,
You're so cute, Daisy.
uinis lang.
wala man ka nagpupunas ko tana lang nako
O, pila ni?
di ba
Pila ni? O, pila ni? 2? Okay.
wala ka to nag ano sa swimming pool gani wala ka na yan
Nag?
Pila ng groups natin.
Sige na yun.
Sino nang naabot mo sa mga?
Pila ni?
2.
Kani man ang gikusi oh.
wala man lagi po
3.
Gi ana naman ako nang gigil,
Ah,
nang gigil.
na-
Oh.